Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI here with the cutest little solar light that I have ever seen. Look at this thing. Isn't it adorable? Let me tell you all about its features. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I love the glow that it gives off. In this video, it's kind of dusk. The sun is just starting to go down and you can see how bright it is. That is the feature that I love the most. I was surprised at how bright it really was. It lights up our porch just like I wanted it to. This is it after the sun has gone down. You can see how bright it is. It's waterproof. I squirt it with the hose when I'm watering my plants and it does just fine. There's an on-off switch at the bottom, and then the solar light lights up during the day, and then it automatically comes on in the evening and shines all night. So I love this thing. It has just given my back porch the little pop that I wanted it to. It's so cute and it's very functional, and that's my point of view.